Namaste. Welcome to the Metta Sadhana class. This is a tech word which is used by the Buddhist as metta. Now it can be roughly translated as loving kindness. The Christians call it as the Sacred Heart Sadhana. The Hindus call it as Sarvesam Sukhino Bhavantu Sadhana. Now, whatever the name of the sadhana, it works in the heart chakra and also it works on the physical world on the relationship. Now, you can take the three component into consideration: the heart, the love, and the relationship in general. Now, many people life has a lot of problem with the relationship, right from death to divorce to not talking, speaking, hurting others. There are a variety of reasons why people get hurt with each other and they are not able to reconcile it and they are not able to come out of this problem and difficulty across. Now, this particular practice, which is called as a loving kindness, will help you to tame your mind and also move the mind from vipraya, the negative spin, to the praya, which is the positive spin. Also, this sadhana or this type of a meditation technique will help you to heal your past, heal your relationship with people, and be able to forgive each other, and you will be able to reconcile a lot of difference of opinion with the other person. Many people carry their hate for almost what you call it lifetime. Once they have had a difference of opinion, they don't look at the positive contribution made by the people. They become very self-centered and obsessive with a single situation or a difficult thought. They go on and on and on and on and that particular thing. They are not able to forgive people. They are not able to sleep well. They are not able to reconcile themselves across. This sadhana will heal your relationship on the first level. As you go deeper, you will be able to heal a lot of people in this world using this particular technique. That is why it is called loving kindness. And also, many people think they want to reach God, they want to understand God. Actually, you cannot understand the God directly. You have to understand love to understand God. And when you want to understand love, you need to understand about kindness, forgiveness, compassion, giving, and also understanding the people at the soul level. So unless you develop these qualities across, you will find it very, very difficult to reconcile with people. Many people try to live alone. They try to love people on a role base, like you are my father, you are my mother, you are my what you call brother, you are my child. They do not develop what you call a broadened view of love, which is beyond roles, which is beyond gender, which is beyond any kind of definitions in life. Now, this is a kind of love which is very, very objective and there is no subjectivity in the love. Now, such a love will help you to come into Sacred Heart. The Sacred Heart practices a lot of siddhi. One is you will die peacefully. The other one is you will have a higher birth when you are getting into, when you will not be reborn. And in many cases, you will be able to cross over the ocean of samsara, because once you start loving everybody unconditionally, you will be able to grow beyond all this petty ego and a small definition. You would be able to treat life as an illusion and move on into your life. So, such is the effect of Metta Sadhana, which you will be able to use it into your day to day life and also into your spiritual growth. I welcome you all into this course and this class, which will help you to move towards another dimension. Thank you.